What is going on YouTube? Hit back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Specifically in today's video, we have to talk about the major reversal that we have finally seen within most of the major cryptocurrencies. Now, for the past couple of days, we've been tracking a fairly large break to the upside here that's taken place across the board for almost all the major cryptos, swinging us to the upside here, either potentially trying to break through. We saw some bull traps form on Ethereum and Bitcoin, but specifically within XRP, we saw a major run to the upside here. And I mean a major run, a major bull flag formation here that I've been saying, be very careful about. You can see just yesterday, XRP Ripple holders, it's happening again. Be very careful now as we may start to see a correction here. You can see the beautiful uptrend, the beautiful bull flag formation, and this typically leads to some sort of correction because the markets get exhausted. And we're kind of starting to see that today. As you can see within XRP, we have just dipped off. We had a beautiful ascending fractal we were tracking here. We are starting to see that dip, but this is healthy and necessary for the correction to continue or the ascent to continue to the upside here. And I would like to explain why with you in just a minute, but correction is necessary. The S&P 500 saw a small decline after retesting its price ceiling. Bitcoin has had a big decline as well, and Ethereum is also having a big decline down to the downside here. Now, this is what I've been talking about within things like Ethereum and within Bitcoin, why we've been very hesitant to trade on Ethereum and Bitcoin, because we were inside our beautiful ascending fractal here. This is extremely risky and extremely aggressive, and we don't know for certain which direction we're going to be breaking to. It's very difficult to tell. That's why it's more of an aggressive or at least a moderate trade, not conservative at all, because we would think, okay, maybe after the major pennant flag formation here, we'd be breaking to the upside, swinging to the upside here. But lots of times it can be tricky and we can easily see reversals, swings, dumps. It's very difficult to tell inside these sideways channels. It's much easier to capitalize on a run either above or below these resistances. It's much easier to get involved with that. And we'll go more in depth about these in a second with you. And otherwise, the XRP dip to the downside, kind of expected, kind of necessary. We've been preparing for this for quite some time now. Obviously, we got stopped out, but within much of a profit zone. We got quite a lot of profit actually made on the XRP trade, which is quite exciting if you ask me. Now, I also, before we dive into the technical analysis, so on and so forth, I want to talk about quickly, there are bonus giveaway that I have with BYDFI. I'll talk about that in a second with you, but with all that being said, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So before we dive into the technical analysis, hopefully you guys remember the previous bonus giveaway that we did with BYDFI. I was able to reluctantly partner with BYDFI after, many months, going on 2 years, if not 3 years actually, of trading with their platform here. And we've actually come up with a collaboration, which is super cool if you ask me. Now, the last one, there was definitely some flaws. It was honestly the first time I've ever partnered with BYDFI for some sort of giveaway. And, I've had my critiques from a lot of you guys commenting down in the comments section below that, the giveaway was disappearing after a week. The bonus was disappearing after a week, so on and so forth. All these different steps and problems that, maybe the bonus had. So I spoke to them again, and going back and forth since the previous giveaway, I've come up with an even better giveaway that's tailored to our community and a lot better if you ask me. So this is a way for, we're doing a giveaway on BYDFI to give away 1,000 XRP tokens. As you guys know, the price of XRP is currently at, what are we at? 50 cents here. So we're giving away a total of $500 cash. This is how it's going to be traded. So there's 3 steps, super simple. There's no, time limit. So it doesn't expire and you don't lose the bonus, which is super cool, which means you can withdraw, you could sell and withdraw your XRP. This is the opportunity to do it. So very simple. There's 3 or maybe, just 3 steps here. Deposit $100 into your BYDFI account, complete the KYC, and fill out the form in the description, just like the last giveaway. And then 10 lucky people will each get a free 100 XRP. In total, that's $50. Super simple. The giveaway will be on the 26th of June. So from now until the 26th, that's in 20 days from today, you have to enter this giveaway to fill out this form. And then the raffle will be drawn on the 26th. And within 3 days of that time, so maybe by the 29th, the latest, everybody, the 10 lucky people, will get deposit $50 free of XRP into their account that they can do whatever you want. Trade with it, sell it, withdraw it, send it to your bank account. Totally up to you what you decide to do. So this is a very cool, very easy, very simple giveaway that finally I think we've gotten right within BYDFI here to benefit you guys. So again, Very simple. Deposit $100 into your account, complete KYC, fill out the form down in the description below. 10 lucky people will receive the 100 XRP in 20 days. Super simple. Make sure to check it out. That link is down in the description. So if you go onto YouTube right here, you click on today's video, the one that you're watching, and you scroll down to show more, you'll see where that link is to fill out. Super easy, super simple. Make sure to check it out. But diving into the technical analysis here, you can see top 10 cryptocurrencies were down 4% today. Here comes the drop. Here comes the plummet. Kind of what we were waiting for, kind of what we were expecting to see happen on this. So not really anything that's, unexpected here. And also, I've noticed a few comments in regards to the other meme coins. It's just my promotion to you guys here. I just wanted to show you, put it out there, and let you know what else is being traded within the markets right now in regards to pre-sales here. Because, we do have coins like Pepe, which are exploding or dumping here. Mario Inu is another one. They're meme coins. You guys understand you understand what exactly they are. Obviously, they're very risky here, but just something to think about. I don't know. Just wanted to make that known. But moving forward here, yes, we're dropping quite substantially here, down 4% across the board here. We actually are plummeting, like dropping substantially to the downside. Every crypto just falling off like a cliff, just dumping to the downside here. We're down 8%. 5%, 11.6. XRP surprisingly not seeing much of a correction here, but Cardano down 8, 9%, 7, 11%, so on and so forth. The dump is dumping, and I mean dumping to the downside here. Now, the reason we're not seeing much movement within XRP is because XRP has had a very large nice movement to the upside over the past couple of days. So we've been tracking, as I've said before, on XRP, a beautiful bull flag formation. History repeating itself. This is the second bull flag formation here. We have the beautiful uptrend. Here is the uptrend right here. The beautiful descending fractal like this, and then the breakout to the upside here. So in regards, this is the flag pole, the flag itself, and then the continuation pattern to the upside here. Second time, we had another bull flag. Here's the flag pole, here's the flag itself, and here's the continuation to the upside. So where things have been getting a little wonky and why we've been very patiently waiting for a reversal is for good reason. Now, we've been able to buy in. We bought in very nicely right at about 46 cents right here. And yes, we're down to 50, but we traded all the way up to 54. So we did get stopped out ever so slightly closer to 51, 52 cents here, but we've been able to lock in quite a large amount of profits using BYDFI, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Link is down in the description. Use BYDFI. Main reason to use them, though, is because they offer XRP to trade around with, hence the giveaway right here. So definitely make sure to check that out. But they also offer a demo account, which gives you 100 grand in Monopoly money to test your skills completely free. And they even have a way for not only the bonus that I'm doing, but they have welcome rewards to earn up to $2,888 by completing a few simple tasks. So make sure to check that out. Link is down in the description below to BYDFI. Make sure to sign up. Now, moving forward, like I said, continuing from where we left off, the reason we're seeing this dip is because we're nearing overbought. So just like the last time, so we had the beautiful run. We broke out right here. We rallied to the upside. Problem is we became overbought. So once we retested overbought, it became problematic. We needed to consolidate back down. This lowered ourselves down to about 58 on the RSI, followed by the break to the upside here. Well, moving forward, you can see again, we had the original break to the upside right here, retesting overbought. Now we need the consolidation. Just like we had the original dip followed by a rally, we need to see more correction before we see another rally again. I'm still a strong believer that XRP and these other cryptos are going to be heading higher up. They are going to be continuing to the upside here. But in order for that to do so, we can't be overbought yet. We can't be this high up. We need to consolidate down just a little bit here. You can see it right here before we can see any more pumps to the upside here. So that's what we're looking for. Yes, we had consolidation here. Now we need a bit more of that consolidation followed by a continued correction to the upside. That's what I kind of expect to see happen. But this correction is quite necessary. We are expecting it and anticipating it. You can also see here on XRP, we've been tracking the potential dip too. As you can see, we have some sort of ascending fractal, ascending wedge here. And the second we confirm closure here, you can see the drop to the downside to moving average. These are typically bearish bias on the 4-hour. Not something we've been trading on. This is not something we've traded, but you could use it on a moderate to aggressive scale. We've just been tracking the price movement this way, not necessarily shorting or longing it in any sense. We've been in a long-term long since 46 cents to the upside here. But that's pretty much it for XRP. Wrapping things up with Ethereum and Bitcoin here, you can see for the most part here, we did have a large dip to the downside here. Very unexpected, major reversal, retesting moving average, but I'm hoping we hold here. It is possible we can drop down and retest bottom support, but I'm hoping that we can hang out at this moving average here, not fall through the support, and then start to reverse up. Same thing goes with Bitcoin too. Bitcoin is plummeting to the downside. We actually fell through the moving average. So the goal now is that we can only hang out to here and then see a reversal up. That's kind of where I think we're going to be moving. I don't think we're going to break through the ascending fractal. More or less, I think we're going to bounce off of it. And that's really where my head's at now. And then obviously it's going to really be influenced by the S&P. If the S&P dumps like this, there's a big chance we could dump even lower before we see some sort of reversal out of it. But, things are up in the air, but the correction is healthy. It's necessary. It's expected. It's anticipated. And that's pretty much it for today's video. With that being said, make sure to take part in the giveaway. Link is down in the description below. Smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.